Hey guys, it is day 4 of the nail room renovation series. We have basically been done, but now we're kind of just like decorating. My dad took down the map, so now this wall is just like completely blank. So I have some bedazzled shelves that I'm gonna hang up, and I'm gonna record that. Okay, so I have 6 of them. So there's just like a little wall space by the window, so I might do like 3 here or like anywhere, I guess, and then somewhere right here 3 more. So this is like what you're gonna see when I'm talking now. It's kind of boring, but I kind of want to do like maybe 3 here and then 3 here, so you're getting all of it. I'm going to show you my organizer. So this is what I have so far. This is kind of just like the junk drawer, just like crap. This is all my press-on stuff. It's kind of messy because I have a lot of it. And then this drawer is all of my organization stuff, plus a few other stuff. And prepare, because this drawer is just full of polishes. And I haven't filled the other ones, but these are just like display, but I think I want the colorful ones behind me. So I think I'm gonna put all like the black bottles like from here on display, and it might not be the cutest, but you guys aren't gonna be seeing this. You're gonna be seeing what's behind me. So yeah, but these are all my shelves, and then everything to mount them. Bob the Builder is back. Working very hard. We're mounting them into the wall so they stay good and sturdy.
Yeah.
Okay, we've got 3 more. Dad, was it easy? Dad, was it easy?
Piece of cake.
Okay, bro. Okay, my dad finished. It looks literally beautiful. The bedazzle is great, and I'm glad you can see it like in my videos when I'm talking. Like, that's so cute. Now, the best part, I need to load it with polishes. And obviously I'm gonna do colorful ones, so I'm gonna bring over all my colorful polishes. Starting with D&D. More D&D. Now Beatles polishes. More Beatles. Okay, here we're gonna do more colorful polishes. Okay, that is it. It's genuinely beautiful. Like, I love it. Shout out to Beatles. This is literally all Beatles except for the D&D. In day 5, I can probably make a video of me organizing those clear shelving things, because I literally cleared out a full one of them and put them up here. And that big drawer of polishes, I can put on that if you want that in another video. That is it. Thank you guys for watching.